Hey guys, so I'm pretty sure you're gonna just see me in like 5 different shirts. These are just my at-home shirts, but I do plan to like dress up one day, maybe put a cute little sweater on or something. I am currently looking at like different printers because I love using Sticker Ninja. However, I'm noticing that I'm getting really impatient and I really just want to print out different types of stickers, and I want to try these out, and like whenever I get an idea at work or something because somebody says something, I want to just print it out and show it to them or give it to them. So I'm having that type of issue. So I've looked up on YouTube and I found this awesome YouTuber, Rachel, and she is awesome. She really helped me out to get a printer. I'm gonna get the one that she has just because it is a photo printer, but it's also hi Rachel, sorry I clicked her video. She's really cool though. This is her.
Back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. My name is Rachel and I make videos all about cleaning, lifestyle stuff.
So yeah, so I think she's really helped me out in trying to like pick and decide what it is that I want for my sticker company, for my sticker business. And yeah, just a little update. I'm really also trying hard to record and do these vlogs. Again, still using my phone. I don't want to take out my camera just yet. It's somewhere, sleeping. We're gonna say it's sleeping. Question. Why do people cook without tasting their food? Because then there's always this, like, they prepare their dish. Okay, I'm watching Kelly Stamps. But, like, you're preparing your dish. Hi, Kelly. And then you're just like, I hope this tastes good. And I'm like, you didn't taste it before you poured it out of the pot? Because I will add in a little bit more basil or oregano, whatever it is, salt, garlic, before I take it out of the pot. Am I the only one? Nah. Hello. Hi. My pimple patch also says hello. I just wanted to give you guys a little like sneak peek. Look at that. I cut my monstera a little bit, took off some leaves that were literally like going this way. And I was like, you know what? No. Then I lowered my mirrors so that I can see myself, a little booty. And I cleaned my closet. And I have a little kitty cat right in here. Can you see? Oh, I see a paw. I see a little paw. Yeah. I don't know. Felt like I wanted to share this with y'all. I always wanted to put stickers on my laptop and I just never did it because I don't know, people were like, no, you shouldn't do it. And recently I said, beep. Okay. This is a sticker I made. Cookie cat. It's a little dirty, but I could fix it, clean it off a little bit. There we go. And then these are my banana stickers from work. Ow. These are my absolute favorite. They do come out every year. If you go to Trader Joe's, that is where they will be. Not right now, but hopefully soon. And then this is a Michelle Lim sticker that I recently got, and I loved her, so I wanted to support her. Yeah. Oh wait, I do have more. Oh, this is a Sam Grave sticker. She's one of my closest friends. She's so cute. I love her. And then this is from Xoxo. Look at that face. And this is mine. This is Sabina, and this is Frida. Hello. Get it, 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 get it. All right, so let's make a little photo shoot. I think this is cute. And we're gonna look for other things. Ooh, how about this cat toy? Oh la la, because it's a cat toy. Stop it. How cute is that? I can't put a cat on there, but I can put other cat toys. This is cute. Very cute. This is what I'm doing to set up this whole thing. Just a scratch. I'll give her a second. Wah, wah, wah. Well, you have made it to the end of this vlog. Thanks, guys. You can see Sabina catching this tiny spider that was in the house. Look at him go. Oh, I was trying so hard to record and I get too close because then he's all like, what are you doing? But also the spider, I was proud of him. I was like, get it, get that thing. Ooh, he almost got it. I ended up, the spider went into a crawly thing at one point and I ended up getting him. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little sneak preview of what I do, you know? And wait for more random ass vlog videos of just me getting ready for my whole art studio and sticker business. And yeah, follow me on things. I'll see you. Bye.